Hello friends, peace be upon you. I opened Photoshop, and picked this image from Google search. We need to make a frame from this picture. We can transform any image into beautiful framed art mockups. It's my job to give the idea, and it's your job to make frame. So, let's start the video. First, create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then go to Edit, Transform, and click on Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now, I will take down a guide. This is because the place I want to create the frame from is in the line. So, this frame piece is not in the line. This means that it is at 180 degrees. To align this, I'll press Ctrl+T to open the Transform controls. I'm rotating it a little so that it turns almost 180 degrees. When it reaches almost 180 degrees, press Enter. So, the place I want to frame from is roughly in line. So, I'll make a selection of the part I want to make frame. We will cut it later. Here, if I press Ctrl+J, a cut via layer will be created. Now, I'm selecting and deleting the part I don't want. And I won't delete the ones I want. I don't want this either, so I'm deleting it too. This part on the left is not needed, I am deleting it too. And I'm also deleting the part I don't want from the bottom. Now, I have to make a frame from the remaining piece. Please note that I took this image from Google search. And from this picture, I am making a piece of the frame. But before that, I'll open a new document. I want to make this frame with the length and width I want. So, I'm taking 1000 pixels in width, and 1000 pixels in height. Resolution is 72, color mode is RGB, background content is white. Then I will create it. I'm dragging this piece and dropping it into the new document I created. And this is at 100% zoom. I will make a duplicate copy of this frame piece. And I will connect this piece to the piece above at bottom. Then go to Edit, Transform, and click on Flip Vertical. If I press Ctrl+E, these two layers will merge. Now, I am making another duplicate copy of this piece. And I'll connect it to the piece on the right. Then go to Edit, Transform, and click on Flip Horizontal. Then, I'll press Ctrl+E and these two layers will merge. Now, I fit it to the screen. This frame piece is not suitable for my document. That is, this is a large piece for document. So, to make it a little smaller than that, I'll press Ctrl+T. I'll press Alt, and make it as small as it seems suitable. After that I will press Enter. Create a duplicate layer of it, and attach it to the first piece. Now, press Ctrl+E and both layers will be merged. Create another duplicate layer, and attach it to the first piece. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Make another duplicate copy, and attach it to the first piece. And, as before, press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Make a duplicate layer of this piece, and move it down. This is because I have to flip this piece to make a frame piece. Now go to Edit, transform and click on rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. I will adjust this vertical piece to the corner. You will see Smart Guides in pink color. To enable Smart Guides, go to View, Show, then check Smart Guides. Now, I have to make a corner here. The more I zoom in and cut the corner, the better the corner will be. I have already made a tutorial before, and that was about making a curve frame. Now, I need to select this corner in some way like this, and select the layer that has the vertical piece. If you delete it here, this will become your corner. Deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl+D. Now, select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge them. By the way, if you select the top layer and press Ctrl+E, the bottom layer will automatically merge with it. We need the center point of this document. For this, check Show Transform Controls. Now, take a guide down to the center. And the second vertical guide is also taken in the middle. If you notice where I'm moving the mouse, if I cut from here, the center point won't come out. I'm making it a little smaller by opening the Transform controls. Now, if you look closely at the up guide, it is passing through the center of the floral frame. And, also on the bottom left, the guide is exactly in the center of the floral. If you've made it this far, consider your frame ready. Now, I have to make a selection within these guides. I'll invert the selection by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I. And then I'll press Delete on this one. I'll deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl+D. We don't need the guides anymore, so take them back up. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl+J. Move this duplicate piece to the right. Then go to Edit, Transform, and click on Flip Horizontal. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Press Ctrl+J again to create a duplicate copy of it. I'm taking this piece down. Pink Smart Guides will keep you informed that your piece is in position. Then go to Edit, Transform, and click on Flip Vertical. And merged both layers by pressing Ctrl+E. So, this is how your frame is made. Now, if we want to give this frame a little sharpening, that is, the floral of the frame looks sharp to us. To do this, create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Select above layer, then go to Filter, Other, and click on High Pass. You have to give the value here, according to your frame. The value of radius is 1 pixel here suits me, so hit OK. Change its blend mode from normal to overlay. I will disable and enable it so you will get an idea. Disabling this made the frame blurry. And when I enabled it, the frame became sharp. You can enable and disable it by zooming in 100% and seeing the difference. So, this is how you can make a frame from any picture. Search for carved wood design on Google. So, you can find many images like this. Even if it's a copyrighted image, you can still make a frame out of it by removing the frame piece. You cannot use copyrighted images directly, but we have taken a piece from such an image. No one can say that this frame is copyrighted by looking at it. So, this way you can make different types of frames. Add a solid color, gradient, or pattern to the white part of the document. Whatever you choose to give here is your own choice. This can be used to put a picture here, or you can write some poetry here. Or, want to design any poetry with image mixing. I hope you liked this easy way to make a frame. Anyway, custom frames are copyrighted. So, it's better to make your own frames. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, so you can get notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.